Hello, and welcome to another video from CMZ. This time we're going to show you how the bar unloader through the subspindle works. This unloader can be mounted in our TTL, TTS, TAR and TD models. And it can unload bars of up to 60 cm in diameter and 700 cm in length or more, depending on the shape of the parts. Let's see how it works on this TTL 6666. The bar unloading system attached to the subspindle remains stationary until the subspindle moves. You can see that with this unloader, work can be done on the X3 axis. The bars stored inside the unloading bar on the subspindle are pushed by the new part we've machined on the main spindle. And the finished parts end up on the parts collection table. Thanks to this unloading system, automation is possible, increasing productivity and reducing cycle time. Because unloading from inside the subspindle is faster than the parts catcher. For more information on the maximum length of unloadable parts, you can download the technical file provided below. See you in the next video. Thank you.